Okay, first there's introduction to sugar and sweet foods definition. Sweet foods contain simple sugars such glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick source of energy for the body. Example of sweet food include candy, chocolate, soda, cakes, and packaged fruit juice. Simple sugars are digested quickly by the body and absorbed directly into the bloodstream, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Main source of sugar, there's glucose. There's white rice, bread, and processed foods. Fructose, there's fruits, honey, and high fructose corn syrup. And sucrose, there's granulated sugar and candy. Okay, number 2, there is effects of sweet foods on athletes. There's a positive effects. Sweet foods provide quick energy because sugar is immediately converted into glucose, which is used as the primary fuel for muscles during intense activity. This energy surge is ideal in urgent situations, such as when a sports match is nearing the end or requires fast performance. Then there's negative effects. Number 1, there's spike and drop in blood sugar levels. After consuming sweet foods, blood sugar levels spike. The body responds by producing insulin to lower blood sugar levels. As a result, there's a drastic drop in blood sugar, which causes fatigue, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating, and decreased performance. And then there's number 2, there's decreased physical and mental performance. The energy obtained from sugar is used up quickly, not suitable for long-term physical activities such as marathon running or soccer matches. Athletes will feel weak and lose stamina more quickly.
Risks like weight gain, excess sugar is stored as a body fat, increasing the risk of obesity, metabolic disorder, excessive consumption increase the risk of insulin resistance, and type 2 is diabetes. Muscle damage. High amounts of sugar can cause inflammation and slow muscle recovery after intense exercise. Alternative healthy energy source. Athletes are advised to consume complex carbohydrates and healthy foods that provide sustains energy, and here are some alternative category food. Like example benefit complex to carbohydrate is oatmeal, sweet potatoes, whole wheat bread, long-lasting energy, high fiber, stable sugar is fresh food like banana, apples, orange, source of natural sugar, vitamin and minerals. And the protein is hard-boiled is egg, nuts, repairs muscles, speed recovery, healthy. Fat is avocados, almonds, walnuts. Additional energy source good for metabolism. Healthy is fluid water, infused water, low-fat milk, and prevent dehydration and maintain performance. Date research. A study from the Journal of the International Society of Sport Nutrition state that consuming excess sugar before exercise increase initial energy but cause a significant decrease in performance within 30 and 60 minutes afterward. WHO data recommend that daily sugar intake, active adult maximum like 10% of totally daily calories like 15 grams and or 12 teaspoons. Athletes are advised to focus on natural sugar like fruit and complex carbohydrate.
Okay, number 5, there's a conclusion. Sweet foods are not a ideal source of energy for athletes. There's a short-term, quick but short-lasting energy spike. Long-term health risks such as obesity, diabetes, and chronic fatigue. The solution: we must eat a healthy diet rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to maintain optimal performance and better recovery.
And sweet foods are not an ideal source of energy for athletes. Short-term, quick but short-lasting energy spike. Long-term healthy risks such as obesity, diabetes, and chronic fatigue. And the solution is eat the healthy food rich in complex carbohydrate, protein, and healthy fats to maintain optimal the performance and get the better recovery. So the key message for athletes is reduce complication of sweet food such as soda, candy, and cake. Choose more stable energy sources like fruit, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, and nuts, and drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration. The peak performance requires balanced nutrition and not just instant energy. And understand this can help athletes make food choice that support their optimal physically and mental performance.